Guys, this is a THS compartment, trimable horizontal stabilizer. This is a non-pressurized area during flight and on ground. And this is a FDR, and this is a CVR. FDR means flight data recorder, and CVR means cockpit voice recorder. This records data provided by airframe, engine, and flight instruments. And this records all voice uh, communicated from flight deck to ground and between flight crews. And this is screw jack which is used for trimming the horizontal stabilizer by moving up or down. And see, this is very dirty due to this aircraft became too much older, approximately 15 years old. And you may see here these are cables for moving stabilizers vertical and horizontal. This is lights, and this is entrance door. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel.